Namaste. The Gurukula app now has a quiz module. This video is about how to access the quiz module and also view your leaderboard and points. Open the Gurukula app, and on the home page, if you go to Mahabharata, chapter 1, you will see a button right here called Start Quiz. Now, if for some reason you don't see that button, go back to the home page, and right up on top, you'll see a refresh button. Touch the refresh button once, and the whole app will refresh, and it will load the quiz. Once the app is refreshed, you can go to a chapter again in Mahabharata, let's say chapter 1, and you will definitely see the Start Quiz button now. Once you see the Start Quiz, you can touch the button. It will take you into the quiz module. You hit Take Quiz. It will load the questions. Note that there is a timer right up on top, right here. So in this case, I'm going to choose the right answer. Next. How many words does the Mahabharatam have? 1.8 million. Next. When your mom asks you to eat your vegetables, you should. And in this case, listen to your mom. Next. The Mahabharata is a great epic, short story, someone's name, a vegetable. I'm going to go with great epic. Next. Why should we learn the Mahabharata? In this case, it's an answer that it has multiple answers. So I'll pick all of the above and submit my quiz. And once I submit it, I will get my quiz results. In this case, I've scored 50 points. So this quiz is over. It is going to show you the answers that you got right. And if there are the answers that you got wrong as well, you can hit the next chapter to go to the quiz for the next chapter. Another thing you can do is to see my points. So I'm back in the Gurukula app's homepage. I touch the hamburger menu on the top left corner, and it will show you a My Points screen. When I touch that, I have the quiz module, the rewards module, and the leaderboard. The leaderboard is basically my rank, and in this case, my rank is the 6th. I have 50 coins, and that's my rank. You can also go here and take quiz of the other chapters from here as well. And if you go to my rewards, you will see all the chapters for which you have taken the quiz for and how many points you've gained in them. So good luck taking the quiz and have fun.